Bro, this is survival instinct. I'm playing Roblox at night, room silent, life is good. Then my character falls and goes,
Oof!
Instantly I hear movement outside my room.
My heart drops.
I freeze, hands shaking, screen still glowing like I want to get caught. I don't even think.
I just start coughing.
Fake coughing, Oscar-level coughing, like,
K-k-k.
bro, I sound sick. Footsteps stop. I keep coughing because now I'm committed to the lie.
What if they think I'm actually dying?
Door creaks. I cough harder. At this point, I deserve a hospital bracelet. Then, silence. They leave.
I survived.
All because of a fake cough. Roblox paused. Me, victorious.